Hi children, welcome to English video class. This is Jyoti. We are in the fourth lesson, the ashes that made trees bloom lesson. Okay, in the previous video I gave you some exercises children. I asked you to complete aptitude part. Do you remember that? Select the correct option from the following. So let us see the answer children. So select the correct option from the following. Yes, this is the previous exercise given as homework to you. Have you completed or not children? So let us check the answers. If your answer is right, very good. If your answer is wrong, please correct it. Okay. So first one. Which pet did the old couple have? Which pet did the old couple have children? Which pet? Cow, dog or cat? Dog is the right answer children. So what is the right answer? Dog. Second question. What was the name of the dog children? What is the name? Juko, Fuko, Muko. What is the name? Muko is the right answer. Muko. Where did the old farmer go daily? Where did he go? Did he go to market or did he go to school or did he go to field? Field is the right answer children. Field. What came out when the good farmer struck his hoe in the earth? When he struck his hoe in the earth, what did he get? First, good farmer is not the bad farmer. Remember that children, good farmer. So he struck his hoe in the earth. He got gold coins. That's why he became rich. Okay. What appeared in the furthest dream? What appeared in the furthest dream, children? The soul of his dog appeared. The spirit of his dog appeared in his dream. Okay, next question. What did the old wicked couple kill? Why did the old wicked couple kill the dog? Why did they kill? Because the dog was not able to find the treasure for them. Because the dog found dead kitten for them. That's why they got angry and they killed the dog. They thought that the dog will find them treasure. But the dog, instead of bringing the treasure, the dog brought them dead kitten. That's why they killed the dog. Next question children. Which tree did the farmer sprinkle the ashes on? Which tree? On which tree? Cherry tree. What is the right answer? Cherry tree is the right answer children. Next, what did the people do when the daimyos passed? What did they do? They used to shut their windows. Yes, I told you already. People should shut their windows and doors. And they should kneel down on the road. Okay. So all of the above. Both are correct only. That's why all of the above. Next. What did the daimyo give the farmer as a reward? What did the daimyo give the old farmer, good farmer as a reward? Silk rope, sponge cake. Both are correct, no? So all of the above. The old farmer and his wife loved the dog because it helped them in their day-to-day work. That's why did they love? No. As if it was their own baby. They treated it as their own baby because they had no children. So they fed the dog like their own baby. Okay. So next question children, 11th question. When the old couple became rich, they gave the dog better food. Every time they gave dog better food only. They lived comfortably and were generous towards their poor neighbors. Yes, they lived comfortably. They brought piece of land, and then they were generous. They ready to give something to others. They helped poor people, and they helped them. They gave money to them. They helped them. So this is the right answer, B. The greedy couple borrowed the mill and mortar to make rice pastry. Children, no. Magic cash, no. Pile of gold is the right answer. So once again children, let us see the answers. So first answer, which pet did the old couple have? Dog. What was the name of the dog? Muko. Where did the old farmer go daily? Field. What came out when the good farmer struck his hoe in the earth? Gold. What appeared in the farmer's dream? Soul of his dog. Why did the old wicked couple kill the dog? Because the dog was not able to find the treasure for them. Which tree did the farmer sprinkle the ashes on? Cherry tree. What did the people do when the daimyos passed? They used to shut their windows. They used to kneel down on the roads. Both are right now. That's why all of the above. Why did the daimyo give the farmer as a reward? Silk rope, sponge cake. Both are right now. So that's why all of the above. The old farmer and his wife loved the dog because as if it was their own baby. They treated the dog like their own baby. When the old couple became rich, they lived comfortably and were generous towards their poor neighbors. The greedy couple borrowed the mill and mortar to make a pile of gold. This is the first exercise, children. So we completed this. So let us go to the next model, children, in this video only. Read the passages carefully and then answer the questions. I gave you some passages. Do you know, children, how many passages did I give you? Just 3 passages from this lesson only, from the 2 parts of the lesson. So you have to read the passages carefully and listen the videos carefully. After that you have to answer those questions. Okay? So first one, in the good old days of the daimyos, there lived an old couple whose only pet was a little dog. Having no children, they loved it as though it were a baby. The kind people fed the pet with tidbits of fish. The dumb creature loved its protectors like a being with soul. This is the first passage, children. Okay, once again I am reading the passage. Listen carefully, children. In the good old days of the daimyos, there lived an old couple whose only pet was a little dog. Having no children, they loved it as though it were a baby. The kind people fed the pet with tidbits of fish. The dumb creature loved the protectors like a being with a soul. Okay, now the question, children, from this passage. When did this story happen? Okay, this story happened, I told you in the first video only. So when did this story happen, children? Okay, and also second question, what is the pet of old couple? What is the pet? What is the pet of the old couple? What is the name of the pet? What is the name of the pet? So what is the name of the pet, children? Third question. Next, how did they treat the pet? How did they treat the pet? How did they take care of the pet? Did the pet love them? Did the pet love them, children? Supply the synonyms. Synonyms means you know already meanings. What is the synonym of daimyos and dumb? You please write all these answers, children. So when did this story happen? What is the pet of old couple? What is the name of the pet? How did they treat the pet? Did the pet love them? Supply the synonyms of daimyos and dumb. So please write all these answers, children, in your running notes. Next passage, children. Thus, in an hour, the old couple were made rich because they got gold coins. No, that's why in an hour, they became rich people. And the good souls brought a piece of land. They brought a piece of land, children, and they made feast for the friends. Okay, they gave nice dinner for the friends and also gave plentifully to the poor neighbors. To the poor people, they gave plentifully to the poor people. Okay, this is the passage, children. Now see the questions. When did the old couple became rich? When did they become rich? When did they become rich, children? When did the old couple become rich? When? First question. After becoming rich, what did they buy? After becoming rich people, what did they buy? Next, what did they arrange for the friends? What did they arrange? What did they arrange for the friends? They arranged something, no, children. What did they arrange for the friends? What did he do after becoming rich? After becoming rich, they arranged something. They did something. What is that? The quality of feasting and sharing shows their kindness, generosity, greediness. What is the right answer? You select from these 3 one right option. Did the greedy people like this old couple? See, everyone in that village liked this old couple. But did the greedy couple also like this old couple? Good couple? Yes. So the passage is, thus in an hour the old couple were made rich. The good souls brought a piece of land, made feast for the friends, and gave plentifully to their poor neighbors. Okay, first question, when did the old couple became rich? After becoming rich, what did they buy? What did they arrange for the friends? What did he do after becoming rich? The quality of feasting and sharing shows their dash. Kindness, generosity, or greediness. Did the greedy couple like this old couple? Yes. You please write all these options. Write answers, children, in your running notes. Next question. Next, final passage. Take the ashes of the mill, sprinkle them on the withered trees, and the trees will bloom again, said the dog spirit. The old man took the ashes from the greedy couple and took his wife into the garden. It being winter, the favorite cherry tree was bare. He sprinkled a pinch of ashes on it, and lo, it sprouted blossoms. This is the passage, children. So, from this passage, let us see the questions. On what the miracle of the ashes was tried? On what? On what that ashes were tried? On what? What did the dog spirit said the old man? What did the dog spirit said the old man? From whom did the ashes were taken? The ashes were taken from whom? What is their favorite tree? What is their favorite tree, children? What is their favorite tree? What did the old man do after taking the ashes? What did the old man do after taking the ashes? What happened to the tree after the ashes were sprinkled? What happened to the tree after the ashes were sprinkled? So what happened? So final passes, take the ashes of the mill, sprinkle them on the withered trees, and the trees will bloom again. Said the dog spirit. The old man took the ashes from the greedy couple and took his wife into the garden. It being winter, the favorite cherry tree was bare. He sprinkled a pinch of ashes on it, and lo, it sprouted blossoms. So finally, the questions were on what the miracle of the ashes was tried. What did the dog spirit said the old man? From whom did the ashes were taken? What is the favorite tree? What did the good old man do after taking the ashes? What happened to the tree after the ashes were sprinkled? So with this, we conclude this video, children. So please write all these answers in your running notes and check the answers in there from the next video. Thank you, children.